Hello there everyone, welcome back to another video on Essay Solvers. In this video, we have a very interesting topic which is BODMAS. You might think it's a funny name, but it has a full form. We will get to that. Let's start. Introduction to BODMAS. Basically, you should understand addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. After learning those all, you are perfect enough to learn BODMAS. Actually, the 4 basic operations are a part of the full form of BODMAS. Okay, you must be eager to know the full form of BODMAS. Let's not further ado. What is the full form of BODMAS? The full form of BODMAS is brackets of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Another thing is brackets, orders, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. There we learn the full form. Memorize and keep this in mind, cause solving will be much more fun now. How to solve BODMAS? Now that you memorize the orders, we will give you a mixed problem containing all the 4 basic operations. Excited, huh? Here is a simple question. 8 minus 4 into 10. What is the answer? That's right. 32 is the answer. You must be wondering that the answer is 40. And let me guess, you subtracted first because the first operation stated in the question is minus. But actually you should not. Remember, BODMAS is multiplication first or subtraction in the word BODMAS. Well, that is absolutely right. M is the first and that is why you should multiply first. BODMAS helps us to know the operations in order. Here's a big one. 7 plus 8 minus, open the square brackets, 56 divided by 2 plus, open the brackets, 5 into 6, close the brackets, then the square brackets into 8. Before we solve this question, here is something to learn. What are the uses of brackets in BODMAS? The types of brackets in BODMAS are brackets, square brackets and flower brackets. You should always solve brackets first and then square bracket followed by flower brackets. Brackets helps us to know what to solve first. But what if there is no operation at all near the ending brackets? For example, 7, flower brackets open, 70 and close the flower brackets. Remember, any bracket resembles multiplication. So in that case, 7 into 17 is equal to 119. Now that you know the uses of brackets, let us solve the problem which was waiting. What is the problem again? Oh yes! 7 plus 8 minus, open the square brackets, 56 divided by 2 plus, open the brackets, 5 into 6, close the brackets, then the square brackets into 8. Let us solve the inner bracket first. 5 into 6 is equal to 30. So now it becomes 7 plus 8 minus, open the square brackets, 56 divided by 2 plus 30. Close the square brackets into 8. Now inside the bracket there are 2 operations participating. What should we solve first? Yes, let's refer to the word BODMAS. Division is first. So let's divide first. 56 divided by 2 is equal to 28. So 7 plus 8 minus, open the square brackets, 28 plus 30. Then close the square brackets into 8. Now let's do addition inside the brackets. 28 plus 30 is equal to 58. So now it becomes 7 plus 8 minus 58 into 8. Multiplication is first. So let us multiply. 58 into 8 is equal to 464. Now it becomes 7 plus 8 minus 464. Addition is first compared to subtraction. So 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. Now the moment of truth. 15 minus 464 is equal to... Okay, we know that we should subtract a small number from a big number. But in BODMAS, even though we should subtract a big number from a small number, we cannot shift. But there is a tip for this. Just for solving, subtract 15 from 464, which is 464 minus 15. No need to write down. This is just for solving. 464 minus 15 is equal to 449. But don't keep 449 as the answer. Remember, always keep the sign of the big number, and since 464 is bigger and having a minus sign, then the answer is minus 449. That's right! Minus 449 is the answer. Good and excellent. You are now ready to solve BODMAS. Be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe for more videos. See you all later. Have a nice day.